I didn't make a YouTube video, so this time I want to make a video that is a little amateur, as well as the final project of an English course. I will invite you to take a tour in Sumedang. Is there a tour in Sumedang? Of course there is. One of them was Ciburial, who happened to be near my tour. But before continuing to video, you must like, comment, and subscribe. Ciburial Eco-Tourism Information. Natural tourism object which is located in the slippery village, Semoga sub-district, Sumedang region, Java, is a tourist destination that has been around and there are a lot of visitors who let go of their time to spend their holidays in this location. There are so many tourist spots that can be utilized by the traveler when traveling to Ciburial, and also many tourist spots that are very Instagrammable and very suitable for all of you who like to take photos. The origin of the word Ciburial was actually taken from the name of a spring near the Wanawi settlement, the Ciburial spring, and was called Ciburial because the spring appeared not only from the sidelines, but the spring appeared different from the usual spring horizontally, but at this location the springs come out vertically from the sand upwards, so that the springs are Ciburial in Sundanese. In 2019, for all of you who have just visited the Ciburial tourist site, the spring itself is no longer but for bathing and so on. But there are a number of tourist sites. There are lodge and for bathing, and this tourist site has natural beauty that is still natural, so it is suitable for the traveler who loves nature. Ciburial touristic facilities. When visiting this location, for the problem of the facility itself is very complete, where in this tourist area there is already a parking area for both two-wheeled and four-wheeled vehicles. There is a prayer room, bathroom, a place for lodging, places to eat, and also some other facilities that have been built and complete. Location of Ciburial touristic area. As we have discussed it above, if the Ciburial tourist location is located in the slippery village, Semoga sub-district, Sumedang district, West Java, with postal code 453553. Ciburial Google Map location. For all of you who want to visit the tourist attractions and do not want to get lost, then please look at the location map from the following Google Map. Tourist spot in Ciburial tourist area. For tourists who have recently visited this location, there are several tourist spots that can be enjoyed, including the following. First, interact with locals. Due to the location of this tour in a slippery village that has a culture that is still distinctive, tourists can chat with local residents while drinking coffee and so on, or ask about the history of Ciburial tourism in Semoga. Second, the beauty of exotic nature. The visitors will be spoiled by the natural beauty that is very exotic and natural in the Ciburial tour in the Semoga area, where you can enjoy the beauty of towering pine trees and also a very complete view of water tourism. Third, trekking on Ciburial Hill. At the Ciburial location, there is one small hill that has a very interesting trekking path, and this can certainly be used as a means for all of you to trek and enjoy the beauty of nature in Ciburial. Fourth, Ciburial travel tips. For all of you who want to visit this tourist spot, it is better to read the following tips so that your tour can run smoothly and pleasantly. First, keep maintaining the cleanliness of the location in the Wana Ciburial tour, and then must not litter. And it is recommended to bring lunch, and then bring a camera to capture the moment while in the Ciburial location. And always be careful although trekking at this tourist spot. And then if you want to take a shower, please bring toiletries such as soap, shampoo, and carpet clothes. And then the fifth, latest photos of the Ciburial tour. Below are some of the most recent photos we took from Instagram